Hello and good morning, grade 2. Welcome to our today's lesson. Today we are going to do a quick review on what we did yesterday on writing a paragraph. Straight away, we need to do a quick review. We saw that before we start writing a paragraph, we need a title. For example, the title for this page is Paragraph Writing. Number 2, we saw that we need to have a topic sentence. Now, we said that a topic sentence tells us the main idea of what the paragraph will be about. So you will need to think, for example, here, the cheetah is the fastest mammal on land. So if you're going to be writing about that, everything you're going to be writing will be about a cheetah and everything else you know about it, the topic sentence. Then number 2, we said that we need supporting sentences. Now, the supporting sentences, remember, we said are the juicy parts of this burger, like we saw yesterday. And these ones we will need to remember to move from the first supporting sentence to the next using the transitioning words. For example, when, finally, because of that, in conclusion, or in other words. You have many transition words, so remember to use them. Then the last part, when you've finished with all the juicy parts of your paragraph, is the closing sentence. When you do all that, you will have an example that, like we saw yesterday, the title, the owls, the topic sentence, then the juicy detail number 1, the juicy detail number 2, juicy detail number 3, and then the conclusion. Quick tips on how to organize your paragraph. Remember, you will need to brainstorm first. This means that you will need to think very carefully about what you want to write about. Then when you know or when you decide what you want to write about, make a draft. This is just a rough copy. Then edit the rough copy to see if it makes sense. After that, write it nicely, and before you give out the final copy, please remember to do what we said yesterday to check your work. Check what you need to add, check what you need to remove or to move or to substitute. And most importantly, remember to use capital letters on names of places, months, titles, and all that. And punctuation, the full stops, the capital, the commas, and all that. And most importantly also, do not forget to check your spelling. After you have done all that, your work may look like this. Here is a title, and then you start. Or it may look like this. Here could be the title, and your illustration, we have done that before, and then here is your paragraph. Or it may look like this. Birds everywhere. Put your title up here, then your illustration, then your paragraph. When you're done with that, please remember to send me the final copy on ClassDoodle. I am very excited to see the amazing work you're going to do for me on writing paragraphs. That's it for today. Have a wonderful